Hello and welcome to Psoriasis on YouTube. We cover all things psoriasis on this channel. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune disorder that affects the skin and nails. It causes the skin cells to grow rapidly, leading to dry patches, redness, itching, and scaly skin. The condition affects over 8 million people in the United States alone and can be quite challenging to manage. While there is no known cure for psoriasis, several treatments can help alleviate the symptoms. One such therapy is aromatherapy, which uses essential oils from plants to promote healing and well-being. The use of essential oils in aromatherapy can help soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. Here are some of the most effective essential oils for treating psoriasis. 1. Lavender essential oil. Lavender has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, itching, and irritation caused by psoriasis. It also promotes relaxation, which can help reduce stress levels that can exacerbate the condition. 2. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is a potent antifungal and antibacterial agent that can help fight off infections that can worsen psoriasis. It also helps reduce inflammation and itching. 3. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile is an anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce redness, swelling, and itching associated with psoriasis. It also has a calming effect on the skin, which can help reduce stress and promote healing. 4. Eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus oil has natural antiseptic properties that can help prevent infections and soothe inflamed skin. It can also help reduce pain and itching caused by psoriasis. 5. Frankincense essential oil. Frankincense is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and promote skin regeneration. It can help reduce the appearance of psoriasis patches and improve overall skin health. To use essential oils for psoriasis, you can add a few drops to a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil and apply it to the affected area. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of essential oil to your bathwater or use a diffuser to inhale the aroma. It's important to note that essential oils should always be diluted before applying them to the skin, as they can cause skin irritation if used undiluted. Also, essential oils should not be ingested, as they can be toxic. Overall, aromatherapy can be a safe and effective way to manage the symptoms of psoriasis. However, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using essential oils, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications that can interact with them. Thank you for watching Psoriasis on YouTube. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Ya Chooch.